Hi guys, welcome to Mastering Ethical Hacking Skills using Python course. My name is Muhammad Askar and I will be the main instructor for this course. This is the first lecture from this course and it will be about the course sections. We will talk about the main sections at this course. As you can see, this course is divided into 6 main sections. The first section will be about warming up. At this section, we will talk about how we can build our labs and set up our environment. And this environment, we will use it during this course. I will not teach you Python programming language basics. I will teach you much more than that. I will teach you how to use Python programming language during any penetration testing or ethical hacking operation. Network security with Python. At this section, we will talk about how we can build tools like customized port scanner, like Wi-Fi jammer, and how to bypass firewall and IDS, IPS, or any other protection on the network, and so on. Web application security with Python. At this section, we will talk about how we can write an exploit to exploit a web application vulnerabilities, and how to build the crawlers, and how to retrieve data from the web application by exploiting, as I said, a web application vulnerabilities. Endpoint security with Python. At this section, we will talk about how we can use Python to create backdoors, trojans, worms, to make sure that our endpoint are totally secured. And we will talk about the eternal blue vulnerability and we will analyze it and learn how to use it on our backdoors, for an example. Buffer overflow basics with Python. At this section, we will talk about how we can exploit a buffer overflow vulnerabilities on Windows platform, how to write a file fuzzer, for an example, how to write a TCP fuzzer, and so on. Encryption basics with Python. At this section, we will talk about how to use DACE algorithms to encrypt and decrypt files and how we can create a totally secured communication channels with Python, of course. So, this is all about this course section, of course, and this is all about this lecture. See you in the next lecture.